Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever paused to think that something as incredibly simple as an onion, that humble veggie we chop almost every day, could be quietly healing some of the most stubborn chronic conditions out there? I'm talking about things like asthma, diabetes, and inflammation, all connected by one surprising, pungent bulb. Today, we're going to dive deep into this ancient yet scientifically proven remedy, exploring it through the fascinating lens of traditional Eastern medicine and seeing how onions truly become nature's secret healer. Get ready, because what you're about to learn might just change the way you look at your kitchen staples forever. First off, let's unpack the essence of onions in Oriental medicine. In traditional Eastern medicine, onions are so much more than just a food. They are considered living medicine. We call them bak hop kun or duong thong thao, beautiful names that literally mean a root that opens energy channels and dissolves stagnation. From this perspective, an onion is described as warm in nature, pungent in flavor, and it enters the lung and spleen meridians. Now, what does all that fancy terminology actually mean for your body? It means onions are fantastic for helping your lungs breathe freely, reducing phlegm, calming persistent coughs, and easing that uncomfortable chest tightness. They also do wonders for awakening your spleen, which is crucial for promoting healthy digestion and moving energy that might otherwise turn into internal dampness, a condition that traditional medicine sees as the root of many chronic ailments. Think about it. Have you ever eaten a raw onion and felt your nose clear up instantly? That's your lung meridian reacting. The onion is literally unblocking your qi, your vital life force, and helping it flow smoothly. It's an immediate, tangible effect that ancient healers observed and understood thousands of years ago. Now let's zoom in and explore together the incredible effects of onions on your body when we use them properly, starting with a condition that affects so many. Chakprisi. 1. Healing asthma. In modern science, we now have the tools to understand why onions are so effective. We know they contain 3 powerful anti-inflammatory compounds: quercetin, kaempferol, and various sulfur compounds. These act like natural antihistamines, calming the overactive immune response that often triggers asthma attacks. There was even a German study that showed how onions could reduce asthma symptoms by up to 50% simply by reducing the sensitivity of airway tissues to amines, those pesky chemicals that provoke inflammation and spasms in the bronchi. In Eastern terms, we often say, onion disperses wind, opens the lung, and transforms phlegm. See? It's the same profound wisdom, just expressed in a different language. When you cook onions, the heat actually releases volatile oils and sulfur compounds that gently expand your bronchi, making breathing easier. And when you eat them raw, the enzyme alliinase activates, producing allicin, which has direct anti-inflammatory and powerful antimicrobial effects. So, that moment you tear up while cutting onions, it's not just irritation, it's actually detoxification in action. How cool is that? 2. Regulating blood sugar. Next up, let's tackle something that impacts millions worldwide: diabetes. For centuries, Eastern healers instinctively prescribed onions for people with what they called sweet urine syndrome, which we now recognize as type 2 diabetes. They believed onions could warm the spleen and move dampness, meaning they helped restore balance to the body's metabolism. And guess what? Modern science completely confirms this ancient wisdom. Onions are packed with amazing compounds like allyl propyl disulfide and S-methylcysteine sulfoxide, both of which work to stimulate insulin production and naturally reduce blood sugar levels. Here's a fascinating fact. Whether you eat onions raw or cooked, the effect on your blood sugar remains almost the same. The active compounds are surprisingly heat-stable, meaning even after cooking, they continue to work inside your body to enhance insulin sensitivity and improve glucose metabolism. Let us pause for a quick question. Why do you think ancient people intuitively paired onions with heavy, oily foods, even without understanding the science? Because they already knew. They understood that onions help digest fats, prevent those sharp blood sugar spikes, and effectively clear toxins from the liver. Their wisdom wasn't written in sterile labs. It was written in life, observed through generations of practice and experience. Truly incredible. 3. The onion and red wine remedy. Now we arrive at perhaps the most intriguing part of our journey, the onion red wine elixir. This isn't some new age fad. This recipe comes from deep within old European and Asian traditions, and it's now resurfacing with strong scientific backing. Let's walk through it step by step, not just the method, but also the profound meaning behind it. Here's what you'll need. 3 fresh, vibrant onions, 750 ml of good quality red wine. Preparation is simple. Start by peeling and thoroughly cleaning your onions, then cut them into 8 wedges. If the onion skins are clean and beautiful, definitely include them. The skins hold the highest concentration of amazing quercetin and other powerful antioxidants. Place your onion wedges into a clean glass jar, pour the red wine over them to completely cover, seal the jar tightly, and then store it in a cool, dark place for 1 full week. After a week, carefully separate the wine from the onions, pouring the wine into 1 jar and storing the onions in another. Keep both in the fridge. For dosage, take 50 ml twice a day, either during or right after your meals. So what exactly is happening here, both scientifically and energetically? The red wine acts as a fantastic circulation enhancer, gently opening up capillaries and helping to deliver those active onion compounds deeper into your tissues where they can do the most good. The polyphenols from the wine beautifully combine with the flavonoids from the onions to form an incredibly powerful antioxidant shield. This blend works wonders to improve blood flow, significantly reduce cholesterol levels, and robustly support your heart function. Crucially, the alcohol in the wine helps to extract the quercetin, and those beneficial sulfur compounds far more effectively than water ever could, transforming this simple blend into a potent medicinal tonic. In Eastern interpretation, they would say, wine carries medicine into the meridians, onion opens the gates of qi. It's a perfect synergy of heaven and earth, the fiery energy of the wine and the earthy grounding of the onion, working harmoniously together to restore balance and vitality inside your body. 4. How it works in the body. Let's quickly summarize how each major organ system benefits from the power of onions. Lungs. Onions are anti-inflammatory, relieving asthma symptoms and clearing away bothersome phlegm. Pancreas. They stimulate insulin release, helping to balance those critical blood sugar levels. Liver. Onions aid in detoxifying harmful toxins and beautifully support healthy fat metabolism. Heart. They significantly improve blood flow and help reduce unhealthy cholesterol. Intestines. Onions promote healthy digestion, reducing uncomfortable fermentation and bloating. Every bite, every sip of that onion elixir, you're not just consuming food. You are actively tuning your internal energy system, just like oiling a complex living machine. It's an active participation in your own well-being. So, the next time you're in the kitchen, chopping away at an onion, pause for just a second. Recognize that you are holding a medicine that has been healing humanity for thousands of years. It's humble, yes, it's pungent, and it might even make you cry a little, but it also makes your body smile inside. And if you decide to try the onion wine tonic, remember this: the true power lies not just in the ingredients alone, but in how you respect, understand, and engage with them. Health isn't just about fighting off disease. It's about restoring and maintaining balance within ourselves. And in that beautiful balance, the humble onion becomes not just a food, but a profound piece of wisdom. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey into the hidden healing power of onions. If you found this video insightful and helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more natural health wisdom. Your support helps us spread this valuable information far and wide. See you in the next video. Stay healthy.